Hey, welcome back, my fellow humble investors. It's me, E.T. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a self-taught investor who likes to talk about great companies, and I believe I found one, and that is Humbl. But guys, this video here, hey, I'm going to get straight to the point. I'm going to tell you like it is from my perspective. Humbl currently right now is closed on Friday at 63 cents. I'm still bullish, but why am I bullish on a price performance that's bearish? Notice I didn't say the company, I said the price performance. But let me give you things from my perspective. And trust me, I know I may lose some of my subscribers because of this, but like I said, I'm just going to tell you things and how I see it and what I'm thinking about and what I'm doing. Now, let's take a look at this here. The current price, let me grab this here. Current price of Humbl is at 63 cents. And I believe that's reflective of the current circumstances of the company. Now, don't send me those hateful comments. What I'm talking about, and the key word here is current. The current situation of the company. Let's just tell it to you like it is. And that is the revenue. We only have 2 quarters. First of all, this is an OTC company that doesn't have even 1 year up under the belt. We have 2 quarters of earnings, and that 2 quarters of revenue is $382,000. I didn't say millions, I said $82,000. Outstanding shares of 895 million. Market cap of 561 million. We have no peer-to-peer. It hasn't been released yet. We know that it's coming. But bottom line, if you think about it, that's what everyone was waiting for initially. When we initially invested in this company, we were investing for the future. Shot up to $7 and some odd cents, and now look at it, it's at 63 cents. All right, mainly because of this. But also, we also know the debacle that happened with those doggone B shares. So, based upon the current circumstances and situation of the company, you know what? Why should it be more than 63 cents at this time? I'm just saying. I'm not selling my shares. I am still diamond hand on this, but I get it. I understand it. I don't like it, but guess what? I realize I'm invested because I have a very long position. I'm going to buy and hold this company for quite some time. I'm investing for the future, not for the current circumstances. Current circumstances, I get it, 63 cents. But guess what? If I'm investing for the future, 63 cents means I am going to load up. If my predictions are correct, guess what? We're in good shape. And I'm watching. We're all watching. This is not 100% science. We're going to be constantly taking a look at those earnings. We want to see the revenue and the profits go up quarter after quarter after quarter. We want to turn this into a multi-billion-dollar company with revenues in the multi-million dollars every quarter. It's going to take some time to get there. I know everybody is waiting to see what happens on those B shares in December. I'm watching, I'm waiting too. I don't think it's going to be a problem. I really don't. But time will tell. We'll find out by the end of December, the impact that these B shares have on this company. We're always looking for the press release, find out what's going on. The company's good at that. They're very transparent at telling us what's going on. Continue to look for those press releases there. Normally when there's something good, we see a spike in the price, but we already know. Once we see a spike in the price, it's not going to stay there. The shorts are going to come in, do what they do, and it's going to drive down the price of the stock. Not a problem. I don't have a problem with that. And because I'm in it for the long haul. The global P2P transaction, we're waiting on that release. We know that I look at that as the granddaddy of everything. Yeah, we're going to get money from ticketing and NFTs and all type of stuff there, but I believe this here is going to be the true catalyst. We just seen that last week they got into collaboration with Blocks. Now, it looks like on the surface and from all the comments that I'm seeing, it's a good thing. I don't know for sure. I'm still learning what Blocks is and the impact and why we're in collaboration with them. Now, I've heard that Blocks is formerly Block 30 that was founded by Brian Foote. I'm pretty sure the information is out there. I haven't found it yet. If you already have it, please send it to me and let me know. But the bottom line is this here. You know what? Don't freak out over 63 cents. If you're alone, guess what? Accumulate. My accumulation right now when it comes to Humbl is strictly will be on the profits that I make for any swing trades within Humbl. I'll take the profits from that swing trade and I'll buy and for my long position. And the reason why I'm not adding any more to what I already have is because there's other investments out there that I need to fund. I am not Warren Buffett. I wish I was, but because I'm not, guess what? I can only do so much. But this one here, Humbl, is one of my mainstays. This is one of those upstart companies that I believe in that is going to make me a lot of money and make us a lot of money, us Diamond Hand, Humbl Nation investors, a lot of money in the future. So with all of that, guys, let's take a look at any news that happened last week, as well as the price performance of last week, and also my position within Humbl. Humbl Nation. Now you see why I'm bullish on a bearish price performing stock. Let's take a look at some of the news that happened last week. On the 19th of October, Calvin Waite tweeted out this to say that we're excited to announce that Humbl's Block ETX active products will now be available today on Coinbase Pro and Binance. That's great news because I have Coinbase Pro, and that just opens up a lot more of their products. If I'm not mistaken, of the 9 products that they have, now 8 of them are supported now by Coinbase Pro. That's great. This is a tweet from Blocks saying incredible things are coming soon. New partner at Humbl Pay is busy testing Blocks in our builder modules. Very, very interested to see how all of this works. I'm still trying to wrap my head around and get a better understanding on how this Blocks is going to work with Humbl. So it's going to be interesting. Much more to come. Let's take a look at the price action for the last 5 trading days. As you can see, the last 5 trading days, it was ugly. The last 5 trading days, we're on a declining trend line. Look at this trend line. That's pretty steep. That doesn't look good at all. On Friday, we opened at 65 cents. We closed at 63 cents. The volume on Friday was 8.3. That was almost double the 10-day average volume of 4.4 million shares. And once again, we already know that the shorts are out there. This doesn't have Friday's numbers, but on Thursday, they were sitting at 44%. I'm pretty sure that Friday was pretty much the same. And when it comes to the most searched stocks within the last 72 hours, Humbl moved from number 1 from last week to number 5 for this week. When it comes to my swing trades on Humbl, no activity on that one there. Just still waiting for some upward price movement. This here is my current position. It hasn't changed. 10,250 shares. My return on investment is down this week again. Last week it was 53%. Now it's 58%. And this here is my summary for my Humbl Finance ETX Block 3, Block 5. As you can see, Block 3, we're up, might as well say 20%. And then Block 5, I'm up 21%. Initial $1,000 investment on the 29th of April is now worth 11. Let's see, that's one too many ones in here. That's $1,197.98. I'll take out that one, or a 20% return on investment. This here is my month-to-month chart on my ETX equity performance. And as you can see currently, that's reflective of that 11.97.98, 20% return on investment. And you can see how it did in the previous months. You know, we had that V-shaped recovery, and after that, it's definitely following what's going on now within the crypto market. So there you have it. I'm down 58% on my Humbl stock, and I'm up 20% in crypto by way of Humbl Financial ETX, Block 3 and Block 5. So I hope that we have some good news coming this week, that we can get at least some type of price increase for the 5-day trend. Looking forward to see exactly what happens by the end of the week. With all that being said, guys, I will see you next Sunday. Take care. Bye-bye.